Good morning, students. Today we will start with Charles' Law, chapter number 7, Study of Gas Laws. We have studied about Boyle's Law. Now continuing with that, Charles' Law, the temperature-volume relationship in gases. It was seen that at constant pressure, increase in temperature causes increase in volume, and decrease in temperature causes decrease in volume. That means volume and temperature are directly proportional to each other. The studies related to this were done by Jacques Charles in 1787. He studied the relationship, temperature-volume relationship, which was further extended by Joseph Gay Lussac in 1802. So the Charles law states that volume of a given mass of a dry gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, Kelvin scale, if the pressure remains constant. The absolute zero, the temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius is called absolute zero. Theoretically, this is the lowest temperature that can ever be reached. At this temperature, all the molecular motion ceases. But practically, reaching this temperature is impossible. Absolute or Kelvin scale of temperature. The temperature scale with its zero at minus 273 degrees Celsius. Minus 273 degrees Celsius is used for calculations, to make the calculations easy, and whose each degree is equal to 1 degree on the Celsius scale is called the Kelvin or absolute scale of temperature. Conversion of temperature from degree Celsius to Kelvin or from Kelvin to degree Celsius. So if we have to convert the value from degree Celsius to Kelvin, we have to add 273 in the given number. Suppose given number is 0 degrees. So 0 plus 273 is equal to 273 Kelvin. If we have to convert from Kelvin to degree Celsius, we have to subtract 273 from the given value. Suppose 10 Kelvin, we have to convert in degree Celsius. We will subtract minus 273. And we will get the value minus 263 Kelvin. The gas equation. According to the Boyle's law, which we have already studied, V is inversely proportional to the pressure. According to Charles' law, volume is directly proportional to temperature. On combining both the laws, Boyle's and Charles' law, we get V is proportional to 1 by P into T. V is equal to T upon P into constant, or PV upon T is a constant. Accordingly, if the volume of a gas changes from V1 to V2, pressure changes from P1 to P2, and temperature changes from T1 to T2, then we get the equation P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. This equation is called the gas equation. STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. Since the volume of the gas changes remarkably with the change in temperature and pressure, so it becomes necessary for us to choose some standard values of temperature and pressure to which the gas volume can be referred. So the values for standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius equal to 273 Kelvin, and the standard pressure is 760 mmHg is equal to 760 centimeter of mercury equal to 1 atmosphere. Now we have already studied by increasing the pressure, the volume decreases. On increasing temperature, volume increases. So if we want to keep volume constant. We have to maintain an equilibrium between the increasing pressure and the increasing temperature.